Hi everyone, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to be talking about the number one best AI detection tool. This top tool blows them all out of the water, and I'm going to show you why in a second. I'm also going to give you some alternatives to this tool, all of which I have reviews on my blog, and I do have YouTube videos on all these as well. I've used all these tools in my personal business. And I'm going to let you know why this one is my personal favorite. And if you like what you see, you want to get a deal on it, there's a sale price going on. See the link below in the description box to learn more. So with that being said, let's dive into this video. I'm going to show you all around this tool. It's called Undetectable AI. Show you how to use it, what it does, some of the settings, and then I'm going to show you some of the other alternatives on the market. And we're going to go from there. But I'm going to give you a general breakdown of what this does and how it can help your business. So I'm going to go, I am a pro subscriber to the ChatGPT Plus plan, which is $20 a month. And I also have an AI PRM account where we get professional prompts. Good tool to have as well. You don't need any of these. ChatGPT 4, paying for it, that's definitely, I recommend it. But you don't need it. But you're going to get better outputs if you do use the upgraded paid model. So we're going to go to ChatGPT 3.5 version. I'm going to just type something in, and we're going to come up with a general article. I'm going to go back over to Undetectable AI. We're going to put it in there and see what it comes up with. And we're going to see if it detects it as AI. And I'm going to show you through the settings. I'm going to show you how to fix that, make it look awesome. And turn it into very human-like content. So let's see what we can do here. How to create undetectable AI. Just anything off the top of my head. We're going to use the tone. We're going to use the default tone for this. Writing style, we'll go creative. And we're just going to come up with a very generic article here using the old 3.5 version. Ooh, it's not letting me do that. Okay, well, let's do this. Let's try something different. How to use ChatGPT properly. This is telling me, I'm sorry, I cannot provide information or guidance on creating undetectable AI. I've never gotten this before on the paid version, so this is new on 3.5. That's kind of weird. But let's go on here and see what we can come up with this new article title. Here we go. This one's titled How to Use ChatGPT Properly. Very generic. And we're going to copy all this. Now we're going to go over to Undetectable AI. Now, when I'm on this site, using this tool, it's got a readability and a purpose. You got a more readable button, a balance button, more human, check for AI, and humanize. I'm going to go over these functions with you so you better understand it. The readability, I like to make it depends on what you're writing about, obviously. If you're writing a school paper, you're going to want a university. If you're a doctor, you're going to want to do a doctorate level and make it sound more professional. If you're a journalist, there's journalist. There's also marketing. So it depends on what you're writing about. And then you got purpose, general writing, essay, article, marketing material, story, cover letter, report, business material, or legal material. So we're just going to do high school, general writing. We're going to paste this in here. Now we're going to click that checkbox where it says I agree to the terms of service. Click check for AI. Your content is detected as written by AI. So which we know, I just did it. And we're going to do the Humanize button. Now what you're going to do is click that Humanize button right here. Estimated queue time, 15 seconds. And it says on the top, readability, high school, purpose, strength, word cost, $3.31. This is a very cheap tool to use too. I got access to this for I can't remember the exact word count, but it's like 30 or 40,000 words a month for a whole year. And it was only like $150. So it's pretty cheap. So it's going to depend on how much you're using it. And as you can see here, I'm going to read you a little bit of it. And now it's passing all these different AI detectors: GPT-0, OpenAI, Writer, Crossplay, CopyLeak, Sapling, Content at Scale, Zero GPT. Now, if we want to make it more human even again, I'd like to do this twice. There's a Humanize Again, which is free button. You can do that, so you can do it twice. We're going to wait for it to finish. Usually takes about half the time what it says. It's already done. And here's the result you got. And once again, it passes all of these. Using ChatGPT effectively can be quite a journey, like creating a masterpiece. Here are some handy tips on how to make the most of this AI tool with skill and finesse. Number 1, communicate clearly. Begin your conversation with a concise message. Make sure your queries are well structured and direct, setting the stage for an interaction. Establish your persona. If you want ChatGPT to take on a role of or personality, just let me know from the start. Whether it's a teacher, marketer, or any other character, I'll happily play that role throughout our chat. So it's reworded this, and you can see it reads well. You can always go through and edit it, a few words here and there if you don't like the way it sounds, but it's good to go right off the gate. So it does a really good job at humanizing the content. Now we're going to copy all this output. Now we're going to go over to a couple more AI detectors that are out there and see what... I'm going to go over to Content at Scale and type it in. This is a free one. And we're going to see what it comes up with here. See right here, passes as human probability. And it says it's got a 98% accuracy rate. And you can see right now that by using that, it passes. And then there's also other tools, which I'm not going to go do a deep dive into because this video is going to get too long. But there's Originality AI. Like I said, I have a blog post, which I'll leave a link below, and a YouTube video where I do a review of this product. And this is a good tool as well. But it just basically checks for AI, really. It doesn't do as good a job as Undetectable AI or rewriting the content. So that's why I like that one better. And you also got Winston, which is another good tool that you can check out as well. And like I said, I'll leave those resources directly below. So let me go into this one more time. Back to Undetectable AI. It's rated the #1 best AI detector by Forbes. That's a huge site everybody's heard of. You can use their AI detector to check if your text will be detected as AI written content. Our AI text humanizer enhances your content to match the quality of human writing. Clicking Humanize removes AI detection and ensures your text will bypass AI detectors. So why is that important nowadays? You never know what Google's going to do next, obviously. They're changing their algorithms from one day AI is cool, the next day it's not. So the more human you can make your content sound, the better. Obviously, it's better if you write the content yourself, but if you want to save yourself some time, using checking your content against an AI detector is a good thing to do with your business, and also rewriting that content is also another good thing to protect yourself from future updates and all that good stuff. So let's go through this one more time. So what you got to hear here is you just paste your content in from ChatGPT. Choose your readability level. You got these choices here. Purpose, what kind of writing you're doing. Paste it in there. If it comes back as AI detected, click to humanize, and you click the Humanize Again button. And there's your content. It's as simple as that. It's an excellent tool. I've been using it for a while now. Definitely highly recommend it. So go check it out. If you're creating AI content for social media, for whatever it may be, and you want it to sound as human as possible, this is a good tool to have in your back pocket. So you want to check that out. Like I said, links directly below. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions about any of these tools I covered, I know the other 3 were covered briefly, feel free to ask in the comments section. I'll point you in the right direction. I'll also leave those links to the blog post and in the video description box as well, to those other tools you can check out, as well as the tool to Undetectable AI itself and its sale price. So yeah, check it out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you on my next video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.